Alright, let's talk about the one thing that dies faster than your motivation on a Monday, your phone battery. And no, closing apps every 5 seconds isn't helping. This is TechBluntHonesty, where I don't sell you magic, I just hand you facts. Let's save your battery life before your phone turns into a $1,000 paperweight. Let's start with the obvious: brightness. If your phone screen is lighting up like it's auditioning for a role in the next Fast and Furious explosion scene, it's killing your battery. Turn on auto brightness, or brace yourself, lower it manually. Revolutionary, I know. Also disable auto sync unless you actually need 12 apps checking for updates every 2 minutes. Your emails can wait. Here's a myth worth burying: closing your apps doesn't save battery. In fact, reopening them can use more energy. Instead, go into your settings and restrict background activity for the apps that don't need to be doing cardio 24/7. Spotify doesn't need to exist in the background while you're asleep. Neither does your calorie tracker unless you're sleepwalking marathons. Location services are great when you're lost, not so much when you're just scrolling TikTok in bed. Go to your settings and change unnecessary apps to while using, or just disable them. And Bluetooth? Unless you're actually connected to something like earbuds or a car, turn it off. Your phone isn't trying to date other devices. If your phone has an OLED screen, congratulations, you just unlocked a cheat code. Dark mode saves battery because OLED pixels turn off when black. So yeah, not just an aesthetic, it's actually useful. Combine that with a dark wallpaper and suddenly your phone's screen isn't draining energy like it's sipping on a triple espresso. Stop charging to 100% overnight every night. It's not a flex, it's battery wear. Lithium-ion batteries love the 20% to 80% zone, and those $3 gas station fast chargers? Might as well fry an egg on your battery. Use original or certified chargers, unless you enjoy surprise phone shutdowns at 15%. Enable battery saver mode when you hit 20 to 30%. It doesn't make your phone useless, just less dramatic. And airplane mode? If you're somewhere with no signal, turn it on. Searching for service all day is like your phone doing push-ups non-stop. None of this will make your battery immortal, but it'll delay the day you throw your phone across the room because it died at 12 p.m. Also, if your battery is swelling, overheating, or just dipping hard under 50%, it's probably time for a replacement, not a hack. There you go. Real battery tips minus the snake oil. Don't forget to like, sub, and share if you've ever cursed at your phone for dying too fast. Got questions or your own weird tips? Drop them below. This is TBH signing off.